Hi, welcome to my channel. So I am going to practice Python programs using ChatGPT and VS Code. So I have given a prompt to the ChatGPT. So it's giving like daily challenges on like for a beginner mode. So here I have given a prompt to the ChatGPT. This chat is going to use for the our practice. So it is given like day one challenge. So let's get into the video. So coding challenge, like for example it is given like to reverse a string. So here you are given a word to reverse. Okay, so here we have to reverse the string. So there will a this type of problem is very common in assessments. And okay, so let's try to create a problem like day one reverse sorry reverse sorry yes reverse string dot py. So py extension. Next, so we have to reverse the string. So firstly get into the some hints so that we can understand how to approach. A string is just a sequence of characters. Okay, so to reverse it we have to read the characters from the end of the start and use the Python special slicing features. Okay, so for example, uh, let's create a simple function is normal as it is, like yes it is given, and yes it is giving, but we have to write return a string of -1. So we have to print, right? So it is a main function to print, but we don't do go that much. So like print of reverse. So output will be like this. So here hello, this will reverse into. So let's run. Yes, it is got the output. So it is nothing but in the slicing function it is reversing this a string. So next approach is like, okay, it is like breaking down into from O, then L, then L, and then E. Okay, put them into together. So basically we are just adjusting the letters. Okay, next coding approach will be like this. Okay, we have used the slicing, and yes it is taking the input and printing the output. Okay, that's great. And next we have to explain the code. It is explaining. Okay, now trying to solving using slicing. Okay, and run it with the different words like Python job assessment. Okay, let's try again, like for example job. I think it is reverse, right? So it is like BOJ. Yes, it is BOJ. Next, okay, yeah, I have also asked to that number of approaches, like give me all approaches. Simple, I have given the prompt. Next, it is giving reverse a string like by using for example slicing, and next using a loop. Okay, how will we use in the loop? Okay, by using range functions. Okay, so it is will be like that. And so okay, oh shit, it is giving all the code. Let's get the hints. So loop through the each character from length. Okay, length of word, like it is reversing all as same as like uh, rain as like what is like slicing. So length of s means it is taking length of string length. So by taking -1 and -1 and -1 here gives, like for example range function is, it is to give reverse functions. For example it is reversing, sorry, if it is like for example 3 and it is like 2, because 0 1 2, it is like 0 1 2, and it is like reversing, like sorry, it is like from this to this, and it is function, the function is to reverse. So and this, and yeah, it is like a reverse word. Okay, it is using the character string functions. So reverse string, reverse plus is equal to reverse verse plus s of I. So that's good, and we have to print the word. Okay, there's a problem with this. Yes, we have to define that reverse. Yes, yes, but it is getting none. What is the problem? Okay, reverse string. Let's get that for I reverse s. Yes, as I did the same thing. Of course, why it is getting none? Okay, we don't return anything, right? So return reverse. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it is like just printing, so we have to return in the function. Next, using built-in function, like for example, reverse. Sorry, it is, yes, reverse. It is like reversing the each character. It like gives the characters in reverse order and combines them into a backstring. Okay. Next, using recursion, little advanced. Okay, so if length is less than 1 and return s. Okay, if less than, okay, then return s minus 1 and reverse this. Okay. Oh, then another, also using stack conceptual for the good understanding. Okay, reversed word is remove the last element from the each element. Okay, it is like firstly converting into the word in like string into list, and like by using while it is reversing each one and popping, like removing last element. Yes, like last in first out. Yes, so that's the video. In this video, in next video I will definitely cover the all approaches for all that. So it is also giving, so give me, okay, that's it, leave it. I will go through the next video and see you then. Bye. Thank you.